Is anyone there? Is anyone there? Oh, okay. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ovibe Isaac, and in this video, I will be showing you how to turn your tweets into a video using AI. Without wasting any much of your time, let's get down to business. So the first thing you need to do is go to Flicky.ai, app.flicky.ai. Here is the website, as you can see. So you come to convert here, you click tweets to video. This is a tweet I love so much. It's a motivational tweet for all my YouTubers out there and content creators. All the hustle, early mornings, late nights, and missed parties will pay off one day, and that is to my YouTubers out there. So I'm just going to copy this link, paste it, and submit. Processing, and in a few seconds, the magic will be done. Let's wait. Preview, play. Now let's see how it's going to look. This is how it looks. That's beautiful. All the hustle, early mornings, late nights, missed parties will pay off one day. And this is how you turn your tweet into a video for your social media platforms, for your IG stories, Instagram reels, or anything like that. So I'm just going to click export and wait for it and download. Once it's ready, as you can see, it's been downloaded, and you can share this video in any platform. It's totally free. If you find this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Ovibe Isaac, and I'll see you in the next video.